Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, it's a highlighter. Big surprise, right? e.l.f. launched, actually e.l.f. has a ton of launches right now between skincare, that cookies and cream collection, the Daily Dew Stick, anything highlighter, you know I'm there. So they launched, it's called the Daily Dew Stick, and I think they have like 4 or 5 shades. I'm not gonna lie, the orangey looking one and the pink one kind of caught my attention, but I wasn't sure if it was gonna work for me. So I went the safe route and I got the iridescent one. I feel like it would be the most universal for everybody. So let's talk about it. All right, it says, bring out your best features with a dewy, lit from within glow. Cool and refreshing, this highlighter gives a sheer wash of pearlescent color. Totally up my alley. You can use this on makeup days, no makeup days. It's a product that you can use to like put on the high points of the face to give you a glow. So that's what we're gonna do. This video is probably gonna be a quick one. So what do you get here? 52 ounces. This is what it looks like. It's got a nice weight to it. Let me double check the price for you because honestly, off the top of my head, I don't remember. All right, so it's $8. I'm sorry, it comes in 4 shades. So there's a cool berry. That's the one that kind of caught my attention because it's like a pinky, like silvery, I think it's pinky silvery. Then there's Acai Glow, which is like a blue. Oh, the Tangerine Kiss, and then Iridescent. Tangerine Kiss actually looks way too orange for me. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a cooling stick, something that kind of gives you that like really pretty natural glow. So again, this is what it looks like. It's a nice size stick. You open it and you just kind of turn it. I do have some up close swatches. I'm going to swatch it here, but I'm also going to insert the swatches that I took. So I'm going to just zoom you in. I'm going to take it and just apply it to my hand. Can you see that? That's a really pretty glow. And it does feel nice and cold. Super pretty. It looks, if I'm looking at my hand like straight forward, it definitely looks like there's nothing there. But the second I turn, the color's there. So while I have you all up in my face, I'm going to apply it. So I had foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to take that off when I just applied it here. So I'm a strange person where I don't like to put this directly to my face because I feel like whatever's on my face is going to stick to this. I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to apply it. Obviously, if I didn't have any makeup on, I would put it to my face. So I'm going to take this. And you see what this light is hitting? That's where I want my highlight to be. Let's bring that glow up more. See how that's like intensifying? It is a very natural glow, which is super pretty. Now, I don't have anything on this part of my eye, so I'm going to actually apply that to my skin there. I need to really do my eyebrows. See? That's really pretty. All right, whatever. I'm just going to put it on my face. I'm just being difficult with myself. I'm going to take this. That feels so good. Oh my goodness. I can imagine this like in the like the summer. Such a pretty cooling effect. All right, so I'm doing that. And I'm just going to pat down on the edges. Let's see how that gives a really, really nice glow. So it feels amazing. I think I would just take this and put it in my bag and just apply it to my face whenever I want to feel something cool. So super pretty. I'm not seeing that there's like, I know it says that it's iridescent. I'm not seeing any chunky glitter in there. I'm not seeing different color glitter. Sometimes when things are called iridescent, there's like pink shimmer or there's blue shimmer. I'm not seeing that at all. This is just straight up giving me a nice dewy glow. It's bouncing the light off of my cheek very nicely. Looks like I'm just very hydrated and I drink a lot of water. I'm gonna zoom you out. Can you guys see? That's very, very pretty. And especially now, like when we're in masks all day, like you could just throw this up here, put your mask on and still kind of rock that glow, which I absolutely love. It feels nice. The cooling effect goes away after like a few seconds, so it doesn't stay like, it's not, you know, sometimes products have like, what is it, menthol or like peppermint oil or anything. It's not cooling like that. It's, I don't know why it's cooling. Hold on. I don't know. But there's no like mint in it is what I'm trying to say. There's no mint in it where it's going to irritate the skin, irritate the eyes. It just feels cooling when you apply it and then it kind of goes away. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the, do you guys remember that CoverGirl? It was a highlighter that kind of looked like this. Same feeling. If you've tried it, that's kind of what it feels like. So it feels nice to the skin, but it does go away. So I am loving this. I think it's really beautiful. It's not the most dewiest wet highlight, but it's, if you're kind of like subtle and you want to start getting into highlight, that's gives you that pretty, like they said, lit from within glow. Start with this. You will not be disappointed. Feels nice. Seriously considering that pink shade now. Yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. If you like it, comment down below. And if you don't follow me on Instagram already, go follow me. Tag me in, you know, any products that I talk about. I want to see you guys use it. So thanks so much. I'll see you in my next one.